When you search for the best cosmetic jars, everything looks the same. Same shapes, same features, same claims. But to understand what truly fits your needs, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Panson 20-pack jars. We have the Panson 20-pack of 4-ounce clear plastic jars. What caught my eye is the sheer value, 20 jars for just $9.99. If you want a budget-friendly solution for storing all your cosmetics, this is worth a serious look. These jars are made from durable, high-quality plastic that won't break easily. Their 4-ounce capacity means you can store a good amount of your favorite lotions or potions, and the clear design allows you to see exactly what's inside without opening them up. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 3,000 sold in the last month alone, people clearly trust this set for keeping their beauty products organized and accessible. Now, some people complained about the lids not being as tight as they'd like. Here's the thing though, if you're using them for travel or to store items you don't frequently access, it's not really a deal breaker. They still provide great value for anyone needing versatile storage. This is perfect for you if you have a lot of different products to store or if you're planning a DIY project. Skip this one if you need something super high-end or if you're storing liquids that require an airtight seal. For the price, you really can't beat it. Now, if the large pack size of the Panson jars felt overwhelming, the next option is more travel-friendly and compact.
Product number 2, Patala Live 4-pack jars. Let's talk about the Patala Live 4 pieces round wide-mouth leak-proof plastic container jars. Priced at just $6.95, they're perfect for those of you looking for portability without sacrificing quality. If you want something reliable for your travel makeup, this is worth considering. These jars are made from food-grade PET plastic, making them durable and easy to fill. The wide-mouth design means no more struggling to get your fingers in there to scoop out your creams. Plus, the foam liner creates an airtight seal, protecting your products from spills. Here's why this matters. With over 2,000 sold in the past month, they're clearly a favorite for traveling beauty enthusiasts. However, some reviews mention that the jars feel a bit flimsy. I'll be real with you, they might not withstand a drop, but if you handle them with care, they'll serve you well. Just know that these are not for super rough use. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and want to keep your beauty routine intact. Skip this one if you're just looking for something to store at home. Overall, at this price, they're a solid choice for travelers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger quantities.
Product number 3, Eternal Moment 50-pack jars. The Eternal Moment 50-pack of 4-ounce plastic jars, priced at $24.99. What I love about this set is that you get 50 jars, which is a great deal for anyone who's into DIY projects or needs ample storage. If you want a bulk option without breaking the bank, check this out. These jars come with black lids and even include labels for easy identification. Made from BPA-free PET, they're not just safe, but also sturdy, ensuring they won't collapse under pressure. The airtight seal means you don't have to worry about leaks, which is crucial if you're storing anything liquid. With 1,000 sold recently, it's clear that buyers are finding them useful for everything from lotions to craft supplies. Now, some users pointed out that the jars can be a bit heavy when filled, but honestly, if you're looking for quantity over portability, that's a small trade-off for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you have a lot of products to store, or if you're a small business selling beauty products. Skip this one if you need a lightweight option for travel. For the price and quantity, this is a great investment. Now, if you need something even smaller for samples or specific uses, the next product is ideal.
Product number 4, Houseables Mini Jars. We have the Houseables sample containers, a pack of 50 mini jars for $8.99. What grabbed my attention is how compact these jars are, perfect for samples or small quantities. If you're looking to store just a little bit of everything, this is worth checking out. These tiny jars are made from high-grade acrylic, making them surprisingly sturdy for their size. With a 3 milliliter capacity, they can hold small amounts of makeup, creams, or even spices. The inner liners help prevent leaks, which is essential for these little guys. Here's why this matters for you. With over 900 sold recently, they're a popular choice for anyone wanting to organize small items, whether for personal use or to sell samples. However, some customers mention that the jars are too small for their needs. I get that, but if you're specifically looking for mini storage, these are perfect and well priced. This is perfect for you if you want to organize small items or if you're creating samples for potential customers. Skip this one if you need larger containers. For the price, you get a lot of flexibility. Now, if you need something a bit more substantial but still compact, check out our last product.
Product number 5, Pana 5G acrylic jars. We have the Pana 50 new empty 5-gram acrylic clear round jars, priced at just $6.99. This caught my eye because they're perfect for cosmetics, and you get 50 of them. If you want reliable small jars for your beauty products, this is definitely worth considering. These jars are made from high-grade acrylic that's both durable and transparent, allowing you to see your products easily. With a 5 ml capacity, they're ideal for creams or balms that you don't want to take up too much space. The clear lids make it easy to identify contents, and since they're BPA-free, safety isn't an issue. With 600 sold in the last month, they're a solid choice for anyone needing reliable cosmetic storage. However, some users mention that the jars can be a bit tricky to clean out completely. Here's the thing though, if you're using them for different products, you might deal with some residual scent, but it's manageable with a good wash. This is perfect for you if you're looking for small, compact jars to store a variety of beauty products. Skip this one if you need jars for larger quantities. Honestly, for the pricing quality, they're hard to beat.
So there you have it. Whether you need bulk storage with the Eternal Moment jars, travel-friendly options like the Patelli, or mini jars from Houseables, there's something for everyone here. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what fits your needs best. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.